Hello, good morning all. Am I audible? Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Let me just check. Hello, audio video clear? Hello, audio video clear? Yeah. So welcome all of you. Welcome to this lecture on data interpretation. Yesterday also we discussed few questions on data interpretation. That lecture, if you have missed, you can check out that after the class in this channel. So let us start today's session. So today we are discussing data interpretation questions more, and this session is equally useful for all these 5 science streams. So if any of your friends preparing for CSIR NET exam or GATE exam or any other competitive exam for these 5 subjects, or any other competitive exam students who are preparing data interpretation topic, you can invite them. So share this link and invite more of your friends, please. So data interpretation, the different types of questions based on tables, bar chart, line graph, pie chart, plain data can be asked. And yesterday we discussed many questions related to bar chart and line graph. So we will discuss more questions today, and more details of my full length course I will discuss in between the class. Okay, this we discussed. Yeah, can you all try this question? This is a very interesting line graph problem. All of you try this question. I'll give you almost 2 minutes. Yeah, I will adjust the slide a bit so that it is visible. Try it, all of you. Okay, some of you got the answer. All of you try. If you are not getting, you can mention that also. I want all of you to try this. Okay, C option, D option are the two options that many of you got. Majority got option D. Is it correct? Okay, I can give you a hint. Option D is not correct. Now can you try once more? Most of you got option D, but option D is the wrong answer. Sharmishta, can you mention which was that question? I will discuss that then. Some of you got option A also. Yeah, yesterday, yeah, I have given a question as homework yesterday, remember. That we will discuss. After this question, today itself we will discuss that. Yes, Anindita, I remember. I will discuss that. Okay, so I'll explain. So this question, majority of you got option D as the answer. Option D is wrong. First I will explain that why. First of all, what is this graph saying? Sorry. The graph shows relationship between smoking intensity and probability of getting lung cancer. So, in a population, which one of the following inferences is supported by the study? This is a result of the study, this graph. So according to the study only you can answer the question, not your opinion about smoking is injurious to health or what you think about smoking. Yeah, when you see option D, it looks okay, right? High intensity smokers will get the lung cancer because, yeah, most of us believe that smoking is not good. Yeah, I too believe that smoking is not good and smoking is injurious to health. But that common perception is not what you need to use to answer this question. Question में clearly दिया है which one of the following inferences is supported by the study. ये graph interpret करके answer बताना है. Chapter name is data interpretation. Given data को interpret करके answer find करना है, answer निकालना है. So let us understand this graph properly. Smoking intensity x-axis में है, probability of lung cancer y-axis में है. Probability को easily understand करने के लिए percentage में convert किया तो easy होगा. 0.000 means 0%. 0.005 means it is 0.005 into 100%. That is 0.5%. 0.5%. Sorry, 0.05%. Shifting 0.5% it will be. This is 0.5%. 0.5% means half percentage. This is 0.01, that is 1%. This is 0.015 means 1.5%. And this is 0.020, that is 2%. Did you all understood? These are respectively 0.5%, 1%, 1.5%, 2%. 2% means 2 out of 100 is the chance. That is comparatively a less chance, in the sense 98 out of 100% is the chance not to have. Okay, now look at the data. X-axis or y-axis connect kiya to 20 smoking intensity, cigarettes per day. That means 20 cigarettes per day if a person is smoking, his chance of getting lung cancer will be almost 1%. 1% chance. 40 cigarettes per day if he use, almost 1.4% we can say. 60 cigarettes means almost 1.6% or 1.7%. And 80% means almost 1.7 itself or 1.75, approximately 1.7 itself. That means in the given data, the maximum number of cigarettes per day smoking also, the chance of lung cancer is 1.7%. Did you understand this data now? According to this, you have to answer. Smoking always causes cancer, always causes lung cancer. The word always means 100% chance should be there. Probability of lung cancer should be 100%. Whatever number of cigarettes being smoked, you should be 100% chance होना चाहिए लंग कैंसर का. ये डेटा ऐसा नहीं दे रहा है. मैक्सिमम सिगरेट्स 80 पर डे स्मोक किया तो भी चांसेस 1.7% है. So always you cannot say. This was the 2020 NET exam problem. This is a question checking whether you are biased while analyzing a question, or whether you are clouded by the perspectives that you already have while you interpret the data. That is what is being checked. So next sentence, people have healthy lungs if they don't smoke. Again, this data is given only regarding smokers. About non-smokers, this study is not saying anything. Are you all understanding? Non-smokers को lung cancer, non-healthy lungs के लिए और क्या क्या reasons हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ reasons है, कितना chances है, कुछ नहीं दिया है ये study में. In the study, it is only telling the connection between smoking intensity and lung cancer. Are you all understanding this? So definitely option B cannot be answered. Yesterday I told you, if the given data is not enough to interpret an option, you have to skip that option. When I told you the tips and tricks for data interpretation questions. ये option B सही है या गलत है, आंसर करने के लिए ये डेटा काफ़ी नहीं है. You need extra data regarding people who don't smoke, whether how much percentage of them have healthy lungs. Those things you need extra information about. So definitely option B cannot be concluded. I am not saying option B is correct or incorrect. Cannot be concluded, because what is the question? Which of the following inferences is supported by the study? ये study option B को support भी नहीं कर रहा है, oppose भी नहीं कर रहा है. So definitely option B cannot be the answer. Smoking intensity is not directly proportional to the probability of getting lung cancer. What is the meaning of directly proportional? At the constant rate it should increase. At the constant rate it should increase. That means 20 है तो 1%, 40 है तो 2%, 60 है तो 3%, 80 है तो 4%. If that is moving at a constant rate, then that is directly proportional. Like a linear curve like this, a straight line, that is directly proportional. But this is not a straight line. After a point of time, the curve is flattening, na? Yeah, in the case of COVID situation or COVID cases increasing, we say when the curve is flattened, it is actually a good sign. The cases are not drastically increasing. So curve is flattened means there is no significant increase with respect to time. Here time is not the axis. Here smoking intensity. After a point of time, when the number of cigarettes per day increases also, the chances are not considerably increasing. 60 or 80 के बीच में increase is just very negligible. Are you understanding? 1.7, 1.7172. इतना ही इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So definitely it is not directly proportional. Directly proportional के लिए ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ होना चाहिए, एक लीनियर कर्व होना चाहिए. So smoking tendency is not directly proportional. That is clear from this graph or study. Did you all understood? So option C is the correct answer. Now option D, high intensity smokers will get lung cancer. Will, the word will is the problem. Will is same as always. Will get means 100% श्योरिटी होना चाहिए, probability 100% होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे maximum probability 1.7% है, 1.7% है. So definitely will get lung cancer. We cannot say that at all from the study. इतना clear है why option C is the answer. And let me reiterate, I am not saying that I support smoking. I am clearly saying I don't support smoking. Smoking is injurious to health. But what this question is telling and what you need to answer, that is what I am explaining. Yeah, smoking is not at all good for health, but that does not mean that all smokers 100% surely they will get lung cancer. No. There are many other factors also, or there are chances that they may not get also, but there are definitely smoking is one cause for lung cancer. That is true. I am telling in general. Yes, studies are clear hai how to interpret the data. I hope all of you are clear. So when you interpret a data, this is very important. According to the data, you need to answer. When you are actually data interpretation chapter, do you know why CSIR is including in questions? That is because what is the use of CSIR NET exam? To either go to research, go for research or for lectureship. These two fields needs your interpretation skills, data interpretation skills. How well you are interpreting a data correctly, and whether you are biased by your opinions while interpreting the data, whether you are actually interpreting the data or whether you are interpreting your thoughts only, that is actually tested. So data interpretation is a skill that you need to develop. So CSIR wants you to develop that skill or have that skill. That is why data interpretation question, almost all the exams they ask at least one. So practice more questions and use the data properly. That is how you need to analyze. Hope all of you understood this much. If so, let's go to the next question. Just a minute, I will show a different slide. Okay, we have made some adjustment regarding the slide setting and all. Regarding more information, I will tell. So this question, all of you try. This is a latest NET exam question on data interpretation. February 2022, this was asked. Make a try, all of you. 2022 NET exam problem. I will give you 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Try it, all of you. Okay, many of you got it. Let's see whether it is right. Just a minute. Let me check the chat once again. Option A, option B. Two options I can see in the chat. Let's see which is correct. It's a very interesting question, very good question actually. It is good because it is combining mensuration and data interpretation together. It's kind of a hybrid question. An inverted cone is filled with water at a constant rate. 1 second. So, an inverted cone is filled with water at a constant rate. The volume of water inside the cone as a function of time. So, if this is the cone, you are filling water into this cone. So, question is asking volume of water with respect to time. The question itself says that fill the water at a constant rate. Constant rate means slope of the curve should be same. Rate means slope of the curve. Mathematically speaking, tan theta. Tan theta should be same or slope of the curve should be same. As I told, that is an idea of directly proportional. Directly proportional rate. That means like if it is 1 minute 5 liter, 2 minutes it should be 10 liter water, 3 minutes it should be 15 liter water, 4 minutes it should be 20 liter water. This is an example of a constant rate filling of water. What is filled? What is actually constant rate? The volume is constant rate obviously. So volume fill किया है constant rate में. So definitely volume of water as a function of time should be directly proportional or a straight line only. Only option straight line is B graph. So B is the correct answer. Actually, some of you may have misunderstood the question. That question is asking about the height of the water column. Yeah, height of the water column is not directly proportional, increasing not directly proportional. Because cone actually the height, the radius get increased while going top. So definitely the bottom part to get filled, it takes less time compared to the top part. Like bottom half fill करने के लिए 10 minutes लगेगा तो maybe top part fill करने के लिए 40 minutes लगेगा. I am telling just an example. Because when the height is increasing, the radius is increasing, so the circumference to be covered is more. So that is why the height of the water column is actually not increasing in a constant rate. That will be option A may be the answer if the question was asking the height of the water column increasing in what rate और कौन सा ग्राफ सही होगा. वो केस में ऑप्शन ए आंसर होगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. वॉल्यूम व्हाटएवर कॉन और सिलेंडर और स्फीयर और हेमिस्फीयर और व्हाटएवर 3D शेप, volume filled is not based on the shape of that, na? Volume is the content inside, whatever shape. If the question says that water is filled at a constant rate, that means volume is increasing at a constant rate. The first sentence itself is saying. So which option is actually constant rate graph? That will be option B only, because all others are curves. Only option B is a straight line. So option B is the correct answer. Please respond all of you. Is this clear or not? Because if you have doubt, please specify. Like as I told, 1 minute में 5 liter. If I say if this is 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute. So 5 liter, 10 liter, 15 liter, 20 liter. It will be constant rate. 1 में 5 है तो 2 में 10 होगा, 3 में 15 होगा. Likewise, the slope of the curve is same throughout. About slope of the curve, if you have confusion, we will discuss more questions and then you will get more clarity. So try this question. This is a homework question I have given yesterday. If you haven't tried, try it now fast. After that I will explain. Little tricky question. But a very good question. November 2020 this was asked. Make a try, all of you. Just a minute, the slide got shifted. Try it now. Sure, Shreya, we will discuss more questions like that. All of you tried? Others, no answers. Some of you got option A. Let's see whether it is right. Okay, so I'll explain. Which one of the following represents the cumulative area under the plot shown? What is cumulative value? I think we have discussed yesterday, right? In the YouTube live or in the other class, I forgot. Cumulative value, there was a question where, yeah, cumulative frequency, there was a question we discussed in this live series itself. That runs in a cricket match, T20 match question. So cumulative area means, yeah, here it is not cumulative runs, it is cumulative area. Cumulative area means area, the total area till that region. For example, from A to B, reaching B, the cumulative area will be this area plus this area plus this area. That is a cumulative area. But what is the cumulative area corresponding to this point 2? This point 2, the cumulative area will be 0 to 2 total area, that is this much only. Cumulative area with respect to 1 will be this much only. Are you all understanding? So cumulative area till half will be what? If this is 0.5, that will be this much only. Are you understanding what is cumulative area? Now how you can plot it as a graph, that is a question. Cumulative area under the plot shown. Under the plot shown means, as I told, for example, I will break it down into smaller values. If it was 0.1 there, so here to here the cumulative area will be this much. Are you all understanding? 0.2 है तो इतना होगा cumulative area. Cumulative area इतना होगा. 0.3 है तो 0.3 नहीं, ये 0.4 हो गया. So likewise the area will increase. Which graph says that so? Yeah, you can think like you are painting the surface line by line like this. That will give you a proper idea. So the cumulative area is increasing as you are continuing the painting. That means it's a gradual increase, na? It's a gradual increase. It is not an increase like this or this. What is the problem with those two graphs? It is an instantaneous increase, right? क्योंकि 0 में combined area क्या है? 1 है. 1 में भी combined area 1 है. That is wrong ना. 0 में area almost 0 है. 1 में area of the square 1 square 1 होगा. Are you all understanding? But this graph says that 0 में भी cumulative area 1 है. 1 में भी cumulative area 1 है. That is wrong for sure. Same problem option D भी. 0 में भी half है, 1 में half है. First of all 1 में half नहीं, 1 में area 1 होना चाहिए. When the point is reaching 1, the area covered is 1 square 1. The geometry aspect also you can involve to understand it properly. I hope this much is clear. That is why these two options are eliminated. Sorry, option A and D are eliminated. What about option C? Yeah, there's a gradual increase, but 0 में area 0 है, that is okay. 1 में area half है, 1 में area half नहीं, 1 में area 1 होना चाहिए. Because the region covered is 1 area itself. That is why option C is wrong. Now those of you are still not convinced, I will explain more about option A, more the remaining regions also, so that you get more clarity. So यहाँ पे 0 पे area covered 0 है, 1 पे area covered 1 है, that is correct. And 2 है तो area covered is 3. 2 है तो area covered 3 है या नहीं? When reaching 2, cumulative area will be this area plus this area. That is this square plus this rectangle, or 3 squares we can say. 3 squares of one area, that will be 3 area. When reaching 2, area covered will be 3, and that is justified in this graph. And when reaching 3, area covered is 3.5. 3.5. Is it correct? Yes, there is a half rectangle pending. Half rectangle or half square. Full square का area 1 है, तो half square का area 0.5 है. So 3 plus 0.5, 3.5. That is also justified in option A. So option A makes proper sense. Movu, in the you are asking about the original graph or the answer options. In the original graph, the area covered is actually plotted. Area covered is actually plotted. 1 to 2, this region area covered will be this rectangle. You can consider 1 into 2 area, na? That way you can think. And this will be 2 to 3, 1 area, 1 value into half. 1 into half, 0.5. And this is 0 to 1, 1 into 1. So 1 into 1, 1 area, 1, 2, 0.5, adding up 3.5. That is our original graph. I hope it is clear now. It's a very good question. So option A will be the correct answer. That is clear. Can you try this question, all of you? Any answers? Okay, A option, D option, B option, C option, all four options are visible. Let's see which is correct. The function f of x is plotted against x as shown. Extrapolate and find the value of function x at x equal to function at x equal to minus 1. So let's understand this graph properly. In x-axis 1, 2, 3 can be visible. This point 1 is actually part of y-axis. Don't get confused. I'll explain why it is so. So 1 है तो y-axis में 1 है. That means x-axis, y-axis में f of x. F of x is plotted against x means in x-axis it is x and y-axis it is f of x. x 1 है तो f of x क्या है? 1 है. x2 है तो f of x क्या है? 10 है. 2 है तो 10. 3 है तो 100 है. 3 है तो 100 है. ये 1, 10, 100 क्या है? वो सब 10 का पावर्स है ना. How 10 का पावर्स? 1 is 10 raised to 0. 10 is 10 raised to 1. 100 is 10 raised to 2. So can you somehow connect it to the x? X as a function. X का function f of x means by doing some operation on x you should get f of x na. So this one 10 raised to 1 minus 1 is 0 we can say na. 10 raised to 1 minus 1. This 1 minus 1. And this is 10 raised to 2 minus 1. As 2 is x, 2 minus 1. This is 10 raised to 3 minus 1. Are you all understanding? So for example, if there was 4 here, 1000 would be the value. That is 10 raised to 3, which is nothing but 10 raised to 4 minus 1. Look at this, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is this 4, 3, 2 and 1. So what you can generalize? n है तो f of n क्या होगा? F of n will be 10 raised to n minus 1. 10 raised to n minus 1 is the rule. Or you can directly write f of x as 10 raised to x minus 1. If x is the value, 10 raised to x minus 1. So we understood the relation. Then you just apply what x you want. Na? X equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 means f of minus 1 is equal to 10 raised to minus 1 minus 1. That is 10 raised to minus 2. Minus 2 means 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is 0.01. 0.01. So option C is the correct answer. How many of you understood this? Please respond. How many of you understood this? All of you respond, please. If there is any doubt, please ask. extrapolate the graph means move, extend the graph. Extend the graph for x equal to minus 1. Graphically you can extend it, but that will take time. That is why I have arithmetically extended it by understanding the common rule. Shreya, can you specify the doubt? Those of you have doubt, please specify your doubt. We'll discuss that. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. If there is doubt, please specify it. Okay. Try this question. 1 second, I will erase the markings. Try this, all of you. This is a table based question. A table is given, you need to interpret the table and answer. How D is possible, Shreya? We have understood that f of x is x raised to 10 raised to x minus 1. 10 raised to x minus 1. 10 raised to x minus 1 means 10 raised to minus 1 क्या है? 10 raised to minus 2 है ना? 10 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 0.01, not 0.1. How negative y-axis move? Yeah, negative y-axis, it won't be negative y-axis. Again, y ka 0 we haven't reached yet. It will be positive y-axis itself, but very small value near to 0. Actually, before 1, don't think that it is half, 0.25 etc. 1 के पहले 1 by 10 है, उसके पहले 1 by 100 है, उसके पहले 1 by 1000 है. वाई एक्सिस का प्रोग्रेशन देखो, वाई एक्सिस का प्रोग्रेशन 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 ऐसा है. 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसा नहीं है. 1, 2, 3, 4 था तो yes, it may go to negative. Okay, clear now. Okay. Then all of you answer this. Some of you got option B. All of you tried? Okay, then I will explain. Okay, so I'll explain. So an experiment leads to the following set of observations of the variable v at different times t. So, 1 second. So t when it is 0, v is 5. When t is 1, v is 6.1. When t is 2, v is 9.1. When t is 3, v is 13.7. When t is 4, v is 20.6. When t is 5, 30.8. 6. When it is 6, it is 41.4. Allowing for experimental errors. This is very important. That means slight variations can be there. That's the meaning of allowing for experimental error. Like in the previous question, in all cases strictly x and f of x was connected by the same rule without any deviation, like 10 raised to x minus 1. But here slight variations can be there. So what rule you can establish? Just like previous question, we need to establish how v and t are connected. Previous question, x and f of x connected, we found. Here v and t should be connected by observing this. Which of the following expressions best describes the relationship? Option by option analyze कर सकता है. V proportional to t square, can you say? When v is increasing, t square is increasing in a constant rate. No. V is 0. T is 0 means t square is 0. T square into a common number 5. 1 square into the same common number, you should get 6.1. 2 square into the same common number, you should get 9.1. Then only we can say it is directly proportional. You cannot establish such a relation at all. But v minus 5 and t square, yes, there is a relation. How? V minus 5 kya hai? If you subtract 5 from each of these values, what you are going to get? You will get 0, 6.1 minus 5, 1.1. I will approximate it as 1 because allowing for experimental errors, you can take that idea. 9.1 minus 5 is 4.1, approximately 4. 13.7 minus 5, that is 8.7, approximately 9, rounding off. 21 minus 5, 16 approximately. 31 minus 5, 25, 26 range. 41 minus 5, 36. Now look at this v minus 5 the whole square. These are squares of these numbers. Na? 0 ka square, 1 ka square, 2 ka square, 3 ka square, 4 ka square, 5 ka square, 6 ka square. That is directly proportional, right? Where k is equal to 1. V minus 5 proportional to t square means we can say v minus 5 is equal to k into some t square, where k is 1 itself here. Because here v minus 5 is equal to 0 square, v minus 5 is equal to 1 square, v minus 5 is equal to 2 square, and so on. Did you all understood? So option B is the correct answer. Most of you got option B, so I hope you are clear about it. If there is any more doubt, please ask it. Now then, let's go for a question based on table, which was asked in a previous GATE exam question. This is a previous GATE exam problem. Make a try, not a difficult one. Easy question, all of you try. Table not clear? Okay, 1 second. Is it clear now? Yes, Mohu, that approach is also correct. Very good. D option and C option are the options you got. Let's see which is correct. So yeah, you can use a complement idea to answer this question faster. What is a complement idea? The data given in the following table summarizes the monthly budget of an average household. The approximate percentage of the monthly budget not spent on savings. Spent on savings is clearly 1,500. So not spent on savings is all the rest. So the best thing to do is you can add all these up. Total value you will get. When you add it up, what you will get? 40, 60, 90, 105. 10500 you will get. In that 10500, 1500 is savings. Remaining 10500 minus 1500. 10500 minus 1500, 9000 will be not savings. So not savings will be 9000 or 9000. What is the percentage of that? 9000 out of total 10,500 into 100. That is what you need to find or calculate. So calculate it, you will get the answer. If you know mental math, it is super easy. Otherwise also you can do it. So 90, 105 cancelling, 6 by 7 you will get. 6 by 7 is actually 80, 1 by 7 is 14.28%. So 6 by 7 is going to be 85% approximately, 85.6. Among the options, the nearest option is 86%. In mental math, if you learn the connection between fraction and percentage, that will help you to do this question faster. I mean this final calculation faster. Did you all understood this much? How option D is the correct answer? If that is clear, let's go to the next question. If there is any doubt, please ask. Yeah, let's see a totally different question, which is totally different from all the previous questions. It's a different data interpretation question asked in a GATE exam, which is just to check the given figure and interpret it and answer it. Very good question. Option A is only 1. Take some time, so I'll give you almost 2 minutes. Try it by that time. try it fast. Yeah, I think A and B got deleted, but you know which is A and B, right? These are the two statements. A and B. Okay, option A, option B, option C, option D. I can see almost all the options. So let's see which is correct. The point in the given graph represents the holes of a lift for durations of 1 minute over a period of 1 hour. Which of the following statements are correct? Yeah, if you use lift regularly in your office or if you are staying in an apartment complex where lift is there where you can relate to this question more. So the point in the given graph represents the holes of a lift for duration of 1 minute. Holes means stop. Yeah, when you click the lift will come and it will stop for some time now, so that the people can enter and then it will move. So 1 minute halt, that halt is denoted by this red dots. Which of the following statements are correct? So period of 1 hour, 1 hour means 60 minutes. That time is represented in the x-axis. First minute में कहा था lift, second minute में कहा था, third minute में कहा था, etc. up to 60th minute में. Okay, so elevator never moves directly from a non-ground floor to another non-ground floor over the 1 hour period. Non-ground floor means what? It is not on 0th floor. Ground floor means 0th floor, na? So this is the 0th floor. All these are non-ground floor. The elevator never moves. That means not even once it have moved from non-ground to non-ground. That means if you can find one counter example, you can say that will be wrong, or this statement will be wrong. So here 0th to 5th floor, then staying in 5th floor 1 extra minute, and then coming back to 0, then again 0. So till now it is all ground to non-ground only. Here it is 0 to 4, 4, 4, again 4, and then 0 again, 5, 0 again, 3, 3, 3, 0 again, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0 again, 2, 0, 0, 4, 4, 4, 0, 2. Yeah, look at this. This is the black sheep. 28th and 29th minute, 28 to 29 minute, it is moving from 2nd floor to 5th floor. That is a non-ground floor to non-ground floor. Did you all understood? Non-ground floor to non-ground floor, it is moving in this 28 to 29. Option claims that never moves. So at least one time it is moving. That is enough to say option A is wrong, or statement A is not correct. Now statement B. Statement B we will analyze. The elevator stays on the 4th floor for the longest duration over the 1 hour period. Longest duration means adding all the points on the 4th floor. How many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That means 19 points means 19 minutes it stayed on 4th floor. Let's see whether 19 is the maximum. Looking at the each floors, you can see that 0th floor also have good number of dots. That means 0th floor also, let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 minutes it is on the 0th floor or ground floor. What is the option saying? Stays on the 4th floor for the longest duration. That is totally wrong. It stays on the ground floor for the longest duration. Are you all understanding? So we can say that statement B is also wrong. So option D is the correct answer. I don't know why many of you got option B as the correct answer. Hope the confusion is over. D, only 1 or 2 of you got it. Meanings of the different number. More different number. The dot means 1 minute. The lift has stopped at that floor for 1 minute. That is on the 6th minute it was 6 to 7, that 1 minute fully it was on 4th floor. 7 to 8 also it was on the 4th floor. 8 to 9 also it was on the 4th floor. Then it came down to ground floor. That is 9th minute to 8 to 9 minute it was on ground floor. Again 10th minute it was on the 5th floor. 9 to 10 minute. That is a meaning. Is it clear now? All of you clear? Please respond. Is it clear or not? And those of you have doubt, specify your doubt. I will definitely clarify it. So option D is the correct answer. Then try this question based on table. Today there is one more free lecture that is in the Unacademy special class platform. You can download the mobile application of Unacademy if you are new, and check out my profile. You can search my name there, or in the comment section there is a pinned comment. That link will give you access to my special class profile also, and you can attend that class. Try this interesting question. Today 2 p.m. we will have a rapid fire lecture where the focus will be to discuss maximum questions, at least 15 questions in a day we will practice. 2 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. the class will be running in the special class platform. Shreya, YouTube live will not be tomorrow. Whether special class tomorrow or not yet confirmed. There is some due to some personal meetings and all, not able to confirm. Tomorrow whether there will be special class. Tomorrow plus class will be there at 2 p.m. But if possible, I will try to arrange one more special class. Follow the Unacademy profile. You will get update if I am taking class tomorrow. Any answers? Next class we will discuss more questions related to pie chart also. Pie chart we haven't discussed much questions. B option, C option. Let's see which is correct. Others tried it. Okay, so I will explain. Students applying for a hostel rooms are allowed rooms in order of seniority. Students already staying in a room will move if they get a room in their preferred list. Preferences of lower ranked applicants are ignored during allocation. So, student priority, Ajit is least prior. So, Ajit condition or preference is satisfied or not, that is not the concern. That is the meaning of preference of lower ranked applicants are ignored during allocation. But Amar have higher preference because Amar is more senior. So Amar's preference list is RST. That means he prefer R, next S, then Q. That is the meaning. So he is preferring R means he can be given R because he is the senior most person. Are you all understanding? So Amar will be given R, we can say. Question is asking about Ajit. So Amar will be getting R. As Amar is getting R, Akbar is the second senior most person. He should get S because R is already taken. So R cannot be taken by Akbar anymore. But Akbar can take S because S is the second preference and Akbar can take that without any contradiction or any clash with Amar. So now Anthony is actually preferring P. P is not taken by anyone. Amar was using P, but as Amar already shifted to R, Anthony can be given P. So R as P done means Ajit should get the remaining one room, that is Q room. So Q will be the correct answer. Option B, Q. It is very simple, na? Please respond, is this clear or not? It's a very simple question. So this is a GATE exam question. Now I will show you a CSIR NET problem. Look at this question. Yeah, rank means seniority rank. Yes. Try this question. This is a CSIR NET 2015 problem. Make a try. It's a line graph problem. And those of you are attending this session, make sure you are sharing this video to your friends, or at least like this video if you felt that this video is useful. That will help this video to reach to more and more people, and I will continue this data interpretation for 2-3 more lectures. Next YouTube live will be Monday 11 AM. Yes, Shreya. Luckily, Ajit got the first preferred room. Ajit getting first preferred room, we don't have a problem, but Ajit get first preferred or not get, that is okay. That is a meaning. Amar second preference is Q na, Alok. That preference also there is like ranks. First preference, second preference, third preference. So if Amar's first preference can be satisfied, then why check second preference? That is a logic. Try this. B option, D option, all of you tried? Each of the option, read it carefully. Yes, Pushpendraj, special class है 2 PM. Rapid fire lecture. Okay, so I'll explain. Based on the graph, which of the following is not true? True nahi, not true chahiye. Number of gold medals increase whenever the total number of medals increase. Total medals are denoted by the dark line. Gold medals are denoted by dotted line. So, number of gold medals increase whenever total medals increase. Total medals increased in 3 instances. 94 year to 98 year, 24 became 25. 98 to 2002, 25 became 69. And 2006 to 2010, 58 becoming 101. These are the 3 cases where total medals increased. All those 3 cases, gold medals increased ya nahi? That is what we need to check. All those 3 cases, gold medals are increasing. 6 becoming 7, 7 becoming 22, 18 becoming 38. So option A correct statement है, true statement है. हमें true नहीं not true चाहिए, इसलिए option A को eliminate किया. अभी option B क्या है? Percentage increase in gold medals in 2010 over 2006. 2010 over 2006 means what? 2006 to 2010 का gold medal increase 18 becoming 38 is more than the corresponding increase in total medals. Corresponding increase means same time period में total medal का increase 58 becoming 101 है. ये 18 becoming 38 या 58 becoming 101, which is the bigger percentage increase? बिगर इंक्रीज नहीं, बिगर इंक्रीज तो ये है 58 to 101, 43 का इंक्रीज है, बट परसेंटेज वाइज 18 becoming 38, 58 becoming 101, 18 का डबल है ना 36, 38 is more than double of 18 we can say, but 58 का डबल 116 है, 101 is less than that, और simply speaking ये more than double increase है, ये less than double increase है, so clearly ये increase ज़्यादा है. Are you understanding? Just because 1838 का difference 20 और बाकी 58 101 difference 43, that does not means 43 is bigger than 20. Percentage wise, that is not how you should analyze. For example, if you are confused about that, if I invest 1 lakh rupee and make 2 lakh rupee out of it, and if my friend invest 10 lakh rupee and make 18 lakh rupees, 18 lakh rupees out of it, I did the better business because I doubled my investment, but he or she did not double the investment. 10 lakh ka double 20 lakh hai. Even if second person's extra money earned as 8 lakh and I earned only 1 lakh, 1 lakh became 2 lakh. So smaller investment it made 2 lakh, that means more than it is double in double increase. Sorry, double हो रहा है. Yesterday we discussed about when a number is becoming double, it is 100% increase. Na? That idea can be used here. This is more than 100% increase, but this is less than 100% increase. That is enough to say that option B true statement है. हमें true नहीं false चाहिए. Did you all understood? Don't waste your time in doing the formula 18 minus 38 minus 18 by 18 into 100, 101 minus 58 by 58 into 100, final value minus initial value by initial value into 100. That was a school day formula, but don't do that. When you look at the number increase itself, you should say which will be comparatively bigger. That skill you need to develop. Check out my previous lectures on growth analysis, percentage, Mendel calculation. Many Vedic math and Mendel math lectures where I have explained that in detail are available in this channel, or you can just search Vedic math with Christy Varghese. You can get the playlist regarding that also. So anyway, option B is the correct, is the true statement. True statement nahi, false statement chahiye hame. Option C, every time non-gold medals together account for more than 50% of total medals. What is the meaning of non-gold? Total minus gold is non-gold. Na? 32 minus 13. For 1990, it will be 19. 24 minus 6, 18. 25 minus 7, 18. 69 minus 22, 47. 58 minus 18, 30. Sorry, 40. 101 minus 38, 63, and 64 minus 14, 50. This is non-gold. Whether this non-gold accounted for more than half of total 32 है, 32 90, 32 का आधा से भी ज़्यादा है ना 19. 50% more than means more than half. More than half. And 24 6, 24 18. 24 का आधा 12, 12 से भी ज़्यादा है ना 18. And 25 का आधा से भी ज़्यादा है 18. Likewise you can check, but there is an improvisation you can make. Instead of doing that subtraction and checking, instead of finding non-gold and checking whether it is more than half, the easier way is take the gold and check whether it is less than half. Gold less than half है तो gold का remaining है ना non-gold. Non-gold more than half होगा. For example, if you have this much juice in a glass, and if you are having this much juice, you are drinking this much juice, what is remaining will be less than half if you are drinking more than half. If you are drinking less than half, what is remaining is more than half. That complement idea, I hope it is clear. So what is a good thing about that? Then you just have to directly check 13 32 का आधा से कम है या नहीं, 6 24 का आधा से कम है या नहीं, 7 25 का आधा से कम है या नहीं. That checking will reduce the calculation time ना. You don't have to subtract each of the cases and check. So non-gold 50% से ज़्यादा है या नहीं चेक करने के लिए gold 50% से कम है या नहीं चेक करना काफ़ी है. That is the idea. So option C is clearly a true statement. हमें true statement नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए option C को भी eliminate कर सकता है. A B C eliminate किया तो D option सही होना ही चाहिए ना. D option should be correct. Let us check. D option should be correct means should be false, not true. That is why should be the correct answer. Should be false statement, so the correct answer. Let's check that anyway. Percentage increase in non-gold in 2010 over 2006. 10 over 2006 means 18 becoming 38 is more than the corresponding increase. Corresponding means gold medal ka hi increase in 2002 over 98. 2 over 98 means 7 becoming 22. So 18 becoming 38 और 7 becoming 22, इसका कौन सा इंक्रीज ज़्यादा है? Here also don't use formula, logical idea you can still use. 18 का डबल से भी ज़्यादा है 38, 7 का भी डबल से भी ज़्यादा है 22, but then how what to do? 7 का ट्रिपल से भी ज़्यादा है 22, 7 का ट्रिपल 21 है ना, 21 से भी ज़्यादा है 22, लेकिन 18 का ट्रिपल 54 है, 54 से ज़्यादा नहीं है 38. That is enough to say that this increase is bigger. This increase is bigger, but option D is saying that this increase is bigger. So clearly that is not true statement. Not true statement. Did you all understood how option D is not true and hence the answer? Please respond. So option D is the correct answer. Movu, slope actually, if the picture was clearer, slope also can be used. Whether it is going up or not, you just have to check it. That is how you can check by slope. But for checking which growth is bigger, the slope may not be that evident because it is a small picture, na? If it was a single case where A to B only is plotted in graph, then you can analyze the slope also. I think we can conclude here, and once again, those of you want to be part of my full-length course, my full-length course is running in the Unacademy Plus platform. This is the details of Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription. The next week onwards, we are starting a new batch of complete course. This is a currently running complete course at 8 a.m. July 1st week onwards, 8:30 a.m. the new batch is starting. So those of you want to be part of my course, take subscription before July 1st. And there is one more information. Day after tomorrow onwards, there is a special discount if you are using the referral code CC10 or CC10 Live. This is how to get maximum discount on Plus subscription. And Monday, I think Monday to Thursday, Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday, Unacademy is giving a special discount. You can make use of that also. This is how you can get that discount. Instead of 10%, there is a 20% off on your subscription from the coming Monday to coming Thursday, I guess. So make use of that opportunity also. Use the referral code CC10 or CC10 Live to get maximum discount. and you can access not only my classes, you can access all educators, all courses by a single subscription of Unacademy Plus. That means your subject courses also, general aptitude courses also, the entire CSIR NET category access you will be getting if you are taking Plus subscription by this procedure. And also there are 55 courses in my profile. You can choose any of those courses and learn more. GATE courses, DBT courses, Vedic math courses, practice courses, etc. also, and capsule course on all topics of general aptitude, in detail courses on a particular topic also are available as recordings. All these courses at a single subscription of Unacademy Plus, and these courses are equally useful for life science, mathematical science, chemical science, physical science and earth science. This is a schedule of the complete course currently running. Next week course also will be similar to this 2-month course for the upcoming NET exam, and this is another course currently running at 2 p.m. This also you can be part of if you want to, as live course, or as recording you can watch it anytime. So live or recorded you can watch the Plus courses. So that is the speciality of Unacademy Plus subscription. Make use of this subscription and subscription offers. So I think we can conclude for today. Today YouTube live, today 2 p.m. we'll meet again with the rapid fire session. So that's it. Thank you all. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you today 2 p.m. To access the 2 p.m. class, check out the lecture link tagged in the comment section.